1997, we just passed a guy in a jetpack.
American 1997, okay, thank you. Were they up to your left? Air 1997, 180 to Lima, cleared visual approach, runway 25 left.
Cleared visual approach 25 left, 180 to Lima, American 1997. That's our American 1997, we just passed a guy in a jetpack.
American 1997, okay, thank you. Were they up to your left side or right side?
Off the left side, maybe 300 yards or so, about our altitude.
Okay, American 1997, contact tower 120.905, thanks today.
120.905, we'll see you.
Southwest 6046, contact tower 133.9er.
46.
And Skywest 3962, and we just saw the guy pass by us at JetPack.
JetBlue 23, use caution. Person in the jetpack reported 300 yards south of the LA final at about 3,000 feet, 10-mile final.
JetBlue 23, we're heard, and we're definitely looking.
You're going to International Airport to LA.